Hi everyone, this is Abby Davis, and I will be discussing the different design elements chosen when constructing the infographic. I created the infographic through the free website, Visme. When beginning the infographic, I focused on the color scheme first. I chose a light pink background to further fit our target audience. For the font, I chose a monochromatic color scheme offered as a theme on the Visme website. You go to Theme Colors, and a bunch of variety of choices are available, and the one I chose is this one. A monochromatic color scheme uses one color but varies the saturation or density of the color. This can be shown right here. This allowed the application of the color harmony principle. According to this principle, the visual is experienced as presenting a sense of order through the color choices. When choosing fonts, I used one of the font themes that utilized two fonts that complemented each other. These fonts were Lato and Railway. Lato was used in the text and Railway was utilized in the numbers. The background and color scheme chosen created a good contrast. Contrast refers to the difference in the visual saturation between the background and text. The color scheme also helped aid in the use of visual hierarchy. This falls under the proximity principle and specifically means the arrangement of elements in a way that implies a hierarchy of importance within a section. This is achieved by using dominant, subdominant, and subordinate focal points. In this infographic, this can be visualized by the darker the color, the more dominant the focal point. For example, women is darker than the word in engineering. Therefore, women is our larger focal point. Visual hierarchy is also achieved through varying size of text. The larger the font is, the more important the section is. Again, the example women, and in engineering, women is much larger than the in engineering words. Therefore, women is our focus. As you can see, all related design elements are grouped together. This follows the graphic design principle of proximity. Each information unit is clearly sectioned off to allow readability for the audience. It follows all the way through the entire infographic. This is sectioned off by the lines within the infographic. Another principle related to proximity that was applied to help with the flow of readability was the concept of alignment. Alignment means that elements are not scattered on a page, but arranged to a line or a margin. Within this infographic, I utilize the horizontal form of alignment, or alignment with the left and right hand margins, as you can see here. In the first two sections of the infographic, I utilize the closure principle. Closure is what happens when we look at a shape that is incomplete, such as this one. We perceive incomplete shapes as whole by filling in the incomplete spaces. This principle is applied in the first section with the three icons, and the second section with the isotope. Thank you for your time, and I welcome any questions or feedback you may have.